In this video, I'm going to be talking about the IX Premium. Hi guys, my name is Nubagum, the CEO and founder of the International School of Traders. Guys, on the previous video, I went through the IX social app and I was telling you guys about the benefits and everything that you need to know about the IX social app. So on this video, I'm going to be going down and I'm going to be going into details in terms of going into the IX social, IX Premium side of things. Now, if you're going IX Premium, this is pretty much something that you think you have to pay for, but I guarantee you, you are going to need nothing to pay more, but just an experience on using the app or using the IX Premium, right? So I'm gonna tell you what you need to do and what are you going to get on the IX Premium. What you need to do to get in the IX Premium, right? I'm going to explain what is the IX Premium and how it works, and I'm also going to explain how to get into the IX Premium, how to avail of the IX Premium, right? Okay, cool stuff. Now let's get into it. Now IX Premium offers the same INFINOX trading experience with added benefits, right? Now, you guys know that, trading, INFINOX as a platform is giving us, or is giving you guys, daily market analysis, the trading platform, which is the best, the deposit insurance, and also the IX social, right? Now, to add on that, to give you something that is some sort of new, something that is premium, something that you probably might be asking yourself, right? If we do offer, then this is for you. IX Premium does, offer IX Premium trading. IX Premium Telegram. It does also offer one-to-one sessions, right? Which is probably something that you are looking for. And it also does involve your monthly investment reports, which is, a lot of people might ignore, but it's very, very important to see how have you been, doing over the month, it is very, very important. And then it is going to offer you market focused webinar, right? This is daily, and this is something that you can use to your advantage to do it, to broaden up your trading career and trading experience, right? So the premium is a lot of more benefits. Trading, for me, the Telegram and the one-on-one sessions is way to go for me, right? Okay, cool. Now, these are mostly some of the benefits that you are also going to experience into your IX Premium. You are going to get a 25% cashback on deposits, right? You deposit $1,000, you're gonna get 25% back, right? Cool. And then you are going to get $4 cashback for every forex lot traded. Meaning, if you're trading FX, you are going to get back some of your, meaning this is going to be some of some sort of a benefit to you. Every lot you trade, you're gonna get back something like $4, which is extremely important if you are increase some sort of your revenue. And then it is going to offer you with the live trading room. The live trading room is the one that already explained. It is going to offer you with the one-to-one with an expert trading analyst. It's very, very important to, some of you might need something, from somebody who knows better than you to solve all your trading questions. And the one-on-one or the one-to-one expert trading sessions are going to help you in that specific way. And then, inclusive, the monthly reports are going to be included also there, on your IX Premium, right? Cool. And then also, lastly, trading room and analysis webinar, which is something that I've already mentioned, is what you are going to be getting on the IX Premium. Okay, how to get into the IX Premium, how to get all these benefits if you want to get all these benefits, right? Cool. On the IX Premium, all you need to do or all you need to do to to get all these benefits, right? You can get the IX Premium benefits by only depositing the minimum of $1,000 US, 1,000 US. That's all it takes. IX Premium will automatically be enabled on your trading account or on your account. That's very important. No extra fees, nothing. All you need to do is to fund your account with $1,000, and then all you need to do is to deposit funds to your account by clicking the button on your dashboard, and that's it, right? Then you can get the benefits of the IX Premium. Now, on the description, I've also put in, the link that you can use so that you can log in using the same credentials that you have in your client area to access your IX Premium services. All you need to do is just to click on the link. I'm going to put it down here, and then use the same credentials that you have, and you're going to have access to IX Premium. For those of you who want to try out something, a little bit more of the IX the IX Premium benefits, right? We do have some sort of similar offers on the IX Lite, right? IX Lite is a little bit of a slightly, lower version in terms of deposit, right? On the IX Premium, all you need to do in this particular case is to deposit a minimum of $500, right, into your trading account, right? That's very, very important. So, looking at the IX Lite, the IX Lite is, does function the same as the IX Premium, just that in this case it's called the Lite because you're funded with at least $500. All you need to do is to click on the website or the link that I'm going to give you below so that you can access all your benefits on the IX Premium. And then I am going to give you links in the description as well as to how can you access the IX Premium over, or how you can overview the benefits on the IX Premium. So in the description over there. So yeah, that's it on the IX Premium. You guys want something a little bit extra, you need a little bit of assistance in your trading, IX Premium is the way. See you on the next video. Shalom.